I got a problem, guys. Every single time when I watch videos on YouTube and I'm trying to make notes, I constantly being distracted by dragging my eyes from one laptop downstairs towards the keyboard so that I can find this little button here and then to listen and to watch the video back. And every single time when I was typing, making the notes according to the video, I have to drag my eyes from this laptop to the bottom and then to the monitor back. It distracts me so much, so I decided to glue a little sticker here so that my hands can search for this button without even looking at it. You already noticed I have it already here, because I'm recording this video after the whole process was completed. So take a look, guys, and my advice from the Holly Casey Neistat: customize your items, make them perfect for you, make them work for you. So yeah, let's proceed. Let me show you how it in general works. So you just press the button, you see this beautiful face, and you can make notes here, like whatever he says. You press play button again, you listen to his advices, you pause, you make notes again, number 13, something, 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 and that's done. You don't need to search for this button with your eyes. Isn't it cool? Well, finally I did it. So to make this shot I had to use my tripod because I don't have a small one which allows you to make it so much easier, so that I would attach it like to the table. But yeah, somehow I figured it out, and then I'm gonna show the result. Well, so right now, when you're trying to watch the video, you can just press the button without even paying attention on the keyboard. That's so much better, because now I can, let's say, okay, let me turn on the sound.
How you just intuited.
So he says something, so you just start typing it here, I don't know, something intuitive, and you don't need to pay attention on the keyboard because you just press the button, you just watch. Yeah, I'm still kind of looking there, but it will take a little bit of time for me to find it instantly, the button, and it's so much better. I love it, I really love it. So yeah, I did it finally. I have this beautiful custom keyboard with this beautiful sign. It says, "Yo, when I'm out looking through